Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Vivek Reddy. Thank you for joining us. In Today topic is Introduction to Machine Learning. In this video, we'll learn about Introduction to Machine Learning and types of machine learning. Coming to introduction, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. We know all, and it focused on teaching computers to learn from the data and to improve with experience. It enables computers to analyze a large volume of data, identify patterns, and make intelligent decisions. Means machines can give intelligent decisions to identify patterns of previous data. In ML, algorithms are trying to find patterns and correlations in the large dataset and make best decisions and predictions based on that analysis. Major focus of ML to automatically learn to recognize complex patterns. Means machines can learn automatically by using previous data or and the core idea behind the machine learning is to enable machines to learn and improve from experience similarly to how humans learn from the past experience. It make intelligent decisions based on the data. It is for the above reason that ML is closely related to the following areas. Some of them are statistics, probability theory, AI, computer science, data mining, and pattern recognitions. Coming to types of machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, reinforcement learning are the types of machine learning algorithms. In supervised learning, we used label data or known data for the training data. Coming to unsupervised learning, in this algorithm, we used unknown data or unlabeled data. And semi-supervised learning, we use supervised and unsupervised both combination. Means it is the combination of labeled data or unlabeled data. And finally, coming to reinforcement learning, it is the feedback based systems. Means it takes the feedbacks and give the certain results. For example, for each good action, it gives positive feedback. For each bad action, it gives negative feedback. In reinforcement learning, there is no label data. So that's it guys for this video. Thank you.